Interesting facts about saigas. The saiga's nose has an unusual structure that is thought to filter out dust in the dry summers. The saiga can migrate over distances of up to 1,000 kilometers between summer and winter. Saiga herds once numbered in their millions, but the global population has declined rapidly to just thousands. The saiga antelope is superbly adapted to the harsh conditions of the semi-desert grasslands of Central Asia, which are among the last remaining wilderness areas in Eurasia. These unusual antelopes have a distinctive large, bulbous nose and live in what used to be vast nomadic herds, but sadly their numbers are plummeting and they are now critically endangered. Despite its ability to endure the extremes of nature, the saiga cannot withstand the increasing threat from human activities, including hunting for its horns, used in Chinese medicine, and meat, and habitat destruction. To make matters worse, the saiga has suffered from a number of mass die-off events, which has seen the loss of hundreds of thousands of antelopes during the past few years, with catastrophic consequences for a species already pushed to the brink by human pressures. There has been a 95% decline in the number of this unusual and fascinating animal, one of the fastest recorded declines for a mammal. The saiga is a transboundary species, and its long-term survival will therefore depend on all the range states agreeing to protect it. The coat of these animals changes according to the season. In summer, it appears yellow to red, fading toward the flanks. In winter, the coat develops a pale, grayish-brown color, with a hint of brown on the belly and the neck. The ventral parts are generally white. Only males possess horns that are thick and slightly translucent. The horns are wax-colored and show 12 to 20 pronounced rings. These rare antelopes live in semi-deserts, steppes, grasslands, and possibly open woodlands where they may shelter during strong winds. These antelopes can cover long distances and swim across rivers, but they avoid steep or rugged areas. Saiga antelopes are herbivores, graminivores. They feed on a wide range of grasses, steppe lichens, and other plants. The mating season starts in November when stags, males, fight for the acceptance of females. The winner leads a herd of 5 to 50 females. After a 5 months gestation period, females come together in mass to give birth. 2/3 of births are twins and the remaining third of births are single calves. The young are usually weaned at about 4 months age. Females become reproductively mature at 7 to 8 months and males start to breed when they are 2 years old. Saigas have been a target of hunting since prehistoric ages, when hunting was an essential means to acquire food. The horns, meat, and skin of these animals have commercial value and are exported from Kazakhstan. Saiga horn, known as corno antilopis, is one of the main ingredients in traditional Chinese medicine that is used as an extract or powder additive to the elixirs, ointments, and drinks. Their value is equal to the rhinoceros horn, whose trade was banned in 1993. Saigas are also dependent on weather and affected by climate fluctuations to a great extent due to their migratory nature. Harsh winters with strong winds or high snow coverage disable feeding on the grass under the thick snow. Population size usually dramatically decreases after severe cold months. Moreover, high temperatures in the steppe region lead to springtime floods, in which saiga calves can drown. Saigas dig small depressions in the soil in which they like to sleep at night. Like many other herbivores, antelopes rely on keen senses to avoid predators. Their eyes are placed on the sides of their heads, giving them a broad radius of vision with minimal binocular vision. Their horizontally elongated pupils also help in this respect. Acute senses of smell and hearing give antelope the ability to perceive danger at night out in the open, when predators are often on the prowl. These same senses play an important role in contact between individuals of the same species. Markings on their heads, ears, legs, and rumps are used in such communication. The antelope's ability to run swiftly has led to their association with the wind. Humans have also used the term antelope to refer to a tradition usually found in the sport of track and field. The lifespan of the saiga is up to 12 years in the wild. While the sense of hearing is poorly developed in the saiga, their sense of sight is acute and they are able to see danger up to a kilometer, 0.6 mile, away. A newborn saiga can outrun a human by its second day of life. Saigas are highly vulnerable to wolves. Juveniles are targeted by foxes, steppe eagles, golden eagles, dogs, and ravens. Very recently, in May 2015, almost half of the world's saiga antelopes have died from a suspected infectious disease named pastoralosis. Dear friends, thank you all for subscribing. Thank you for supporting me. Love you.